Okay, it's on your bear, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
You want to tell Mia something? She's not feeling well. You want to say?
I love you, Mia. I miss you, Mia. I love you, Mia. I miss you, Mia, so much. I even drew you a message. That was weird, Kaya. I'm done.
I think you said you were talking about a message.
I'm talking about a message that had beautiful hearts, and I wanted to send you because that's why I send you it, because I really miss you. And we all prayed to Mia. We all prayed to you because we love you. And my teacher, she prayed for you all night. Done. Boop, boop, boop.